Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam keeps logging me out every time I try to basically turn on Steam. So it's quick and easy. Let me show how. So the first thing what you need to do here is to of course log into your Steam account, and then you need to press on Steam, and then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to security and make sure don't save account credentials on this computer is turned off. Because if you have this option, you will always be logged out of your account. So this is the first fix. And second fix is that you need to make sure you don't use VPN. If you use VPN, your IP is constantly changing and you will be logged out constantly of your account. So you just need to go to search, then settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, and then here look for VPN. And if you have VPN, so you just need to disable it or uninstall it, and then you will not have any kind of issues here with logging out of Steam. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like.